The cellular beams in the GRAITEC Power Pack can be found by going to the Create Elements section of the ribbon, clicking on the little drop down beside castellated beams, and you'll find cellular beams from here. Left click on that, pick the points you want to insert to, and a cellular beam will get created. You have the option of coming into here to type and say castellated, cellular, or beams with openings, as well as choosing it from the ribbon. With the cellular beams, you get the same options for defining an individual or a unique name, a material that you want to use, coating that you want to use, defining whether the beam should be straight or welded, selecting the beam from the catalog, which is found by going through the catalog manager, or saying user defined, where you can come in and set this up yourself to define what is the height, width, and so on, so that you can generate your own. You can also go to openings, and again from here, change the start distance, horizontal opening distance, distance between openings, and vertical offset. You have control for each individual opening, so if you need to set an opening to have only half or full cover, you can do that. And you can cycle through the different openings and be selective about which ones you want to hide or show. With positioning, naming, you see the same features and values that you would have with a regular advanced steel beam. And here you can see we can still do numbering, set the model roll. For fabrication data and user attributes, it's the same thing as well. You still have all the same features that you would normally have. Where display type is concerned, you have an extra set of options at the bottom for representation where you can set this to either separated or complete. And as far as behavior is concerned, you can come in and you can set for lists, for drawings, and for numbering, whether this is considered one complete beam or the beam is split with the flanges and web separate. Again, you have complete control over these beams as you would with a regular one. So if you want to add in a connection, you can always come in, right click, and add the connection. These features still work as if you were using a regular advanced steel beam.